welcome to the Hedgehog Hollow office. I know you don't get to see up here very often, but today we're here celebrating the new Altenew decal release, and I've kind of taken and gone rogue because I'm going to stick something on the wall without permission. So normally we talk about all these things, and I put like Hetty up on the wall here, and I've decided I've named her Hetty. Anyway, I'm going to stick up these really cool decals that I've got over here. So what they sent me were two things. So this one says, be the reason someone smiles today. And then underneath here is this really cool little whiteboard. And we always need whiteboards and reminders. And this is Greg's side of the desk and Miss Ali's side of the desk. So I've decided that I'm giving her something to write on so she can write me to-do notes and reminders, because I know she will love that idea. So on this one here, you have to first of all peel off this one here. So you just peel this off. It's really, really easy. It comes on the release sheet. Everything's pre-done, pre-weeded. It's really, really simple. You can see here. So you just peel all of this off, and then I'm going to stick it up here, give it a good scrape, peel back. And then this one here is also really simple because, again, everything's pre-weeded. You just peel the outside off. You can see how it just comes off super simple. And then we're going to peel and stick as we go. So let's get started.
I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Breakups leave the scars, you don't need to be ashamed. Everyone's got their hearts broken sometime. Let's go out and lose our minds, forget all about him.
So that's it. Stay tuned in a second. I've got lots of prizes that you can win in this video too. Of course, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, all of those fun things, join the community. But we do have giveaways as promised. So you can check out today's Inktoberfest video as well. We have prizes every single day and coupon codes. This is also part of an Altenew blog hop, which has prizes in it too. So you can check that out as well. Go to thehedgehoghollow.com. You can check out those prizes too. Also, I should mention that this is removable. So you can switch these out for different ones, pop them all over your house. I was thinking it'd be great to pop on the back of like the entry to the garage. Don't forget your lunch today or your gym kit, because in this house, people always forget their lunch. So you can pop up little messages like that. You can switch these out for different things. Grab some of the decals. Go check out the last decal video we had as well. And then tag us in your post. Tag out the Hedgehog Hollow and at Altenew. I'd love to repost how you've been using them in your home as well and see what you've been up to. So do all of those things. Go win some prizes. Go win some new crafty stuff as well. And I will see you again real soon for some new fun videos. See you all soon, and happy crafting. Bye.